The journey begins deep within the Earth, extracting rare minerals vital for advanced defense systems. Our journey begins where rare Earth elements are painstakingly extracted from raw ore. Raw materials for the SHiELD system undergo advanced chemical purification, creating high-purity ytterbium and neodymium oxides. Advanced components begin their journey to a state-of-the-art facility. In a pristine Class 100 clean room, advanced robotics initiate the crucial crystal growth process. These carefully measured compounds are loaded into a colossal Sokolsky furnace, a marvel of engineering. American technicians, clad in sterile suits, meticulously oversee every parameter of this complex process. From molten crucible, the journey of precision begins, crafting the very heart of advanced weaponry. Day by day, a pristine crystal boule rises, a testament to unwavering engineering precision. Through meticulously controlled conditions, the foundational elements for superior performance take shape. After days of meticulous growth, a perfect crystal boule is born, ready for the next stage of transformation. A colossal gantry crane executes its precise task, handling critical components with unmatched accuracy. With incredible power and grace, the boule is carefully extracted from the intense heat. The boule is precisely transferred into the annealing oven for a controlled critical cooling process. From colossal crystals, precise shaping begins, forming the core components of advanced laser technology. Coolant mists ensure thermal stability, vital for maintaining the structural integrity of these advanced optical components. Precision-cut slabs are meticulously sorted and transported, progressing to the next stage of advanced laser weapon assembly. In the optics metrology lab, unparalleled precision ensures every component meets exacting standards. Using advanced interferometry, the expert scrutinizes the surface for any nanometer-level flaws. Through rigorous testing, each component's flawless quality is affirmed for integration. On the heavy machining floor, a colossal CNC mill begins shaping the core of the SHiELD system. Precision robotics bring unparalleled accuracy to every cut, ensuring structural integrity. Under intense heat and pressure, advanced alloys are transformed with microscopic precision. Multi-axis movement allows for complex geometries, critical for the beam director's advanced optics. Colossal silicon carbide blanks begin their transformation to advanced optical components. Giant robotic polishers meticulously sculpt the raw material with unparalleled precision. Blank slowly reveals the complex, precise contours of the primary deformable mirror. Integrated laser metrology systems ensure every curve and angle meets exact specifications. The finished primary deformable mirror, a triumph of precision engineering, awaits integration. Inside the sealed chamber, an electric arc ignites, vaporizing dielectric materials for atomic layer deposition. Technicians meticulously monitor the atomic coating, ensuring flawless precision and optical integrity. Advanced automation and data analysis guide the precise deposition, creating a critical component. In these sterile labs, micro-robotics begin the intricate task of assembling the SHiELD system's core optical components. Thousands of micro-actuators are precisely bonded, forming the core of the adaptive optics system. Each actuator receives precise micro-connections, ensuring flawless operation for atmospheric distortion correction. Precision alignment is paramount for the SHiELD system's unparalleled
We're seeing a consistent
accuracy.
drop in efficiency at this junction.
The quality control expert scrutinizes every detail of the final assembly data.
The diagnostics show a slight anomaly in the power conduits.
It seems localized to the cooling ports.
We should stabilize the energy emitters before the next test.
Green laser lines confirm the flawless optical path. colossal gantry crane prepares to integrate core components within the vast assembly hangar. Precision engineering guides the laser array into the SHiELD weapon pod skeletal frame.
Alignment is stable at 99.8%.
Adjusting the Z-axis gimbal now.
The advanced laser gain medium slabs begin their crucial descent for integration. Automated systems ensure flawless alignments, connecting intricate interfaces with precision. With the core integrated, the gantry crane retracts, showcasing a monumental step forward. Hundreds of fiber optic connections are meticulously established, delivering immense power to the laser system. Each fiber optic link must be perfect, ensuring maximum energy transfer and system reliability. This complex web of connections is the nervous system, channeling raw energy into a formidable directed energy weapon. The beam director turret, a pinnacle of engineering, awaits its crucial integration. With calculated precision, the colossal turret is gently lifted, a ballet of advanced engineering. The primary housing pod, ready for integration, stands awaiting its vital component. Integrated, the SHiELD system now takes its complete form, awaiting final securing. Robotic precision ensures every bolt is torqued perfectly, sealing the system's integrity. Precision robotics flawlessly align massive panels, ensuring structural integrity for the SHiELD system. Automated systems meticulously seal and finish each panel, ensuring an impenetrable aerodynamic shell. The SHiELD system's protective shell nears completion, a testament to advanced manufacturing. The final stage of assembly sees the SHiELD system undergo rigorous quality control. Advanced diagnostics confirm the precision and functionality of every component. With a comprehensive check complete, the system is cleared for deployment. Inside the high-energy laser test range, the advanced SHiELD system is prepared for critical evaluation. Engineers in the control room meticulously monitor the system, ensuring peak performance.
Copy that. Initiating pre-fire diagnostics.
The SHiELD system stands ready, a testament to American engineering and innovation. The SHiELD system initiates its formidable power-up sequence, preparing for activation.
This thermal
Engineers
reading is
meticulously
spiking.
monitor the system, ensuring optimal performance.
I see it. Rerouting power now.
Power levels stabilizing in Sector 4.
Reroute auxiliary cooling to the primary conduit now.
We did it. All systems green.
With the surge of energy, the SHiELD laser weapon system achieves full operational readiness. The SHiELD system prepares for a precision engagement, its advanced optics in motion. The system achieves a silent, swift lock-on, pinpointing its objective with extreme accuracy. Precision targeting laser confirms the system's readiness for future engagements. Engineers initiate the final test sequence, a moment of precision and anticipation. A blinding flash, the laser impacts its target, instantly creating an inferno. In extreme slow motion, the invisible energy beam's path through shimmering air is revealed. The test concludes, leaving behind a stark testament to the laser's immense power.
The system
Engineers
readouts are
meticulously
optimal
analyze
across the
real-time
board.
thermal and power
We have
diagnostics,
achieved full stability.
ensuring peak
Agreed.
performance.
The power core is running perfectly.
All
Look at
systems
that,
nominal.
fully
The team
verified.
celebrates this monumental achievement in laser technology.
Congratulations, Jane. You earned this.
Colonel,
Mission accomplished.
Well done, Doctor. The system is fully optimal.
Precision engineered and flawlessly integrated, the SHiELD system stands ready, a pinnacle of defense innovation.